You're doing good. In this beginner friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make t-shirt design and sell on Printful. The first thing you want to do once you have created your Printful account, which you can do for completely free, the next thing you're going to need to do is connect a store. To connect a store, you're going to go over to stores from the left hand menu option. Then from here, you can see that I have an Etsy store that I'm using Printful, and I also have an Equid store. To connect a store, you'll simply scroll down and tap on choose platform. Once you have done that, you can either choose to connect a Shopify store, an Etsy store, a WooCommerce store, or a Wix store. You can see that there are numerous platforms that you can integrate Printful with. For this example, we'll be connecting it to a Shopify store. So we're going to simply tap on connect. After you have tapped on connect, all you'll need to do now, you can simply tap on get the app. Once you have tapped on get the app, you'll automatically be redirected to your Shopify platform. And you can see right here, I had created a Shopify account earlier. And again, you can also create a Shopify account for completely free by going onto shopify.com. From here, you're going to simply tap on install. Once you have tapped on install, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on install once more. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to the Printful dashboard. Once on the Printful dashboard, all you'll need to do is tap on continue. Then you're going to tap on connect store. After tapping on connect store, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to simply tap on add product. After tapping on add product, since we are doing this for a t-shirt, you can see the different t-shirt recommendations right here by selecting t-shirt, or you could simply tap on the search bar and you could type in t-shirts right here. Then after doing that, you can see men's champion t-shirt, unisex lightweight t-shirt. You can see the different options right there. So you can select whichever option suits you. After doing that, you will be redirected to a new page on which you'll be able to upload your design. Keep in mind you can choose whether you would like to add your design to the front, back, outside label, inside label, right sleeve or left sleeve. You can choose where you would like to place your design. After doing that, you can go over to the left hand menu option and from here you'll be able to upload your design, or you could tap on clip art and you could use one of their preloaded designs right here by simply tapping on the search bar. You could type in the type of clip art that you would like to use. Normally what I would recommend you do is open a new tab and go onto canva.com. Then from there you could type in t-shirt logo, and again you can create a free account with Canva. Once you have typed in t-shirt logo, you'll see numerous logos that you can use for completely free. All you'll need to do is select the logo that you would like to use. So you can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these logos suits you. So let's say for example, I would like to use this logo. All I would need to do is select it, then tap on customize. After you have done that, you could go over to the left hand menu option. You could tap on text. You could add a text. You could also add images if you want. But for the sake of time, I won't go through that process. Then you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Tap on download. Then tap on download once more. Once you have downloaded your design, you're going to go back into Printful. You're going to tap on uploads from the left hand menu option. Then tap on upload new file. Then you're going to select your design and you're going to tap on open. After your design has been added, as you can see, it is being added right there. You'll simply tap on apply. Then from there, you could remove the background if you want by simply tapping on remove background from the top navigation bar right there. So you can see how it looks. Then we'll tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on continue, you have two options. You can either choose to create your own mockups by tapping on custom mockups, or you could select basic mockups. After selecting basic mockups, you can see how it looks right there, and you can select your main image. So you can see right there, this is going to be my main image. Then I'll tap on continue. After tapping on continue, from here you could edit the product title and description. You can also scroll down and you could add tags if you want. Then I'll tap on continue once more, and on this page you'll be able to set the price that you would like to sell it for. You can also increase the retail price by, you can tap right there and you could tap on set retail price, or you can increase it by a percentage. So let's say I would like to increase it by 25%. Then you'll tap on submit to store. After you have tapped on submit to store, you're going to give it a few seconds while the product is being added, as you can see right here. Once the product has been added, all you'll need to do now is simply go back into Shopify or whichever platform that you had chosen to integrate Printful with, and from there you'll be able to see the product. And it is as easy as that to use Printful to create a t-shirt design and then start selling. So you can see it has been listed. So I'm going to go back into Shopify, tap on products. Then from there you can see the product right here and you can see how it looks. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.